Today we've hosted our BCNA Day here at Portsea Golf Club. We've had 84 players and a great event. It was an early shotgun start and an early start for most people, but it doesn't stop our members from getting out for a great game.
Great day.
Nice. Great day, so no worry.
Weather's good at least.
During the day we've had support, as I said, for the Breast Cancer Network Association, who do great work supporting people with cancer and their families. And we also had Pinkster Gin out today supporting our event with some bottles for prizes for the winners, and we also have a Mother's Day competition with them at the moment. So we got great support here today. Thank you to all of you for today. All the proceeds due to golf mates off the event are going to BCNA.
B grade winner and overall was Ryan McNeil.
First event, loving being down. If it keeps going like this, we'll be alright.
It's been the best thing for me golf, that's for sure.
Yeah, great day. Been hitting the ball solid lately, so it's nice to actually put a round together, make a few putts. And I moved over from Perth about 3 years ago. And yeah, had really no one to play with, so jumped on board and thought give it a go. And yeah, like the idea of getting a handicap and all that sort of stuff, so it's good that you guys look after all that. And yeah, I loved it. Like, first few rounds, I just loved it.